This is the Gary Hodgson Wart A6, or it was, but is now the product of the Late Night Bad Idea factory. It's been flown in A6. The Wart was originally tractor, conventionally laid out. Wing went the other way, stab went the other way. There was a nice rudder here, and a prop. I turned it into a Canard pusher A6, flew it some, and now we've just tacked on a little electric motor plant, which is legal under the AMA electric free flight class. 10 milliamp single cell LiPo, direct drive 4mm, probably 4x12, 4x18 brush motor, and a Nick Lechty speed controller. Yeah.
And what are we about to do?
We're about to see if I can bump up the record I just set a couple of minutes ago. There are no records really established for this class, which is why I'm flying this power system on this airplane. It's not competitive, but it's fun.
Which after today, there will be a national record. When you see this, it will be.
Both youth junior, youth senior, and maybe adult. Oh. Maybe. Too much of it. It's compressed. You started the watch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I gotta back up though so I can see it. Official time is 3:51.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.